How to view images in Ghostty Terminal 2025. Follow these instructions. Make sure Ghostty is installed and working fine, because you'll need it to support image display through special tools or plugins. Check if your Ghostty build supports image previews by running a basic image tool like icat or View in the terminal first. If you don't have them, install an image tool like View by typing sudo apt install View or brew install View depending on your system. Go to the folder where your image is stored using the cd command, so the terminal knows where to look for the image file. Now type viewimage.jpg or replace image.jpg with your real image name to view it directly inside your terminal window. If the image doesn't show, check that your terminal font, size, and Ghostty version support image tools, and reconfigure if needed. Try different tools like icat, TIFF, or Chafra if one doesn't work. Each one shows images a bit differently in the terminal. Thank you for watching.